Welcome to our video tutorial for blog posts and blog settings found under Website Admin. In this video, we'll show you where you can create new blog posts and adjust the settings of existing blog posts, in addition to comment moderation, tags, and global settings for your blog. And with that, let's get started. The blog is located under Website Admin. Under Blog, the first section is Posts. To make a new post, click New Post. Give the blog post a title. The author can be adjusted if desired. This will show near the top of the blog post next to the post date. Compose the body of the blog post with text and images as desired. After this, you can tag the post with the appropriate tag if desired. Select a featured image from your File Manager folder. The featured image for your blog post is displayed prominently at the top of your blog post. It is also used as a preview or thumbnail image when your blog posts are featured via a homepage blog widget. Next, you can choose to enable or disable comments for this specific blog post. You can then set the time and date you'd like the blog post to publish. If needed, advanced page settings can be pressed to access the meta title, meta description, and snippet for search engine optimization. If these are not customized, your post will use the website default values automatically. Once you're all set, press Save this post. The blog post will then appear depending on the time and date you've set for the blog post to publish. You can use Filter Blog Posts to search through published or planned blog posts. This list of blog posts will show you the title, published date and time, published status, and the edit option to adjust the post just like when it was first created. The next section is Moderate Comments. Here you can moderate comments that have been posted to your blog. By default, moderation is turned on to prevent unwanted comments from being posted without your review first. The ability to post comments at all is handled on a per blog post basis by editing the blog post itself. Additionally, the option to disable comments as a default for newly created blog posts can be found under Settings, which we'll see in a bit. The section after this is Manage Tags. Here you will see the current tags in use. These can be used to filter content as well as making it easier to find in a search. Tags can be renamed as well as deleted, but be careful as these changes cannot be undone. The last section is Settings. The settings here are global and set the default settings for your blog. First is Default Author Name, the name featured on newly created blog posts. After this is the RSS link to your blog if needed for syndication purposes to other platforms or feeds. Settings for comments is next. Here you can enable or disable allowing comments by default on new posts, moderate comments to set the default for new posts, enable CAPTCHA for those looking to post a comment to reduce spam if any, as well as limit the number of comments per page. Time zone is used to determine the post date to ensure your post will post when desired or intended. And the last of these options is Show Featured Image in Posts. Enabling this will include the featured image in the actual post rather than just the earlier thumbnail. This can be further stylized as a masthead with overlaid titles. Once you're all set, press Save Settings. And that concludes our video tutorial for blog posts and blog settings found under Website Admin. If you'd like to learn more, please feel free to check out the other videos on our channel. Subscribing to our channel will give you updates and tutorials about our newest features and improvements as they're released. Most importantly, if you still need help or just have questions, please let us know. Be more than happy to help. Give our lead service team a call at 866-645-7700. We're open Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time.